It's a pivotal moment in Schneider Electric's journey, the inauguration of the Impact Building here at Dubai Silicon Oasis. This building is more than just an office. It's a blueprint for the future of sustainable urban development, combining cutting-edge energy efficiency, digital lifecycle design, and human-centered innovation. With the launch of the Nest, Schneider Electric is showcasing a new standard for smart and sustainable workspaces. The office reflects its vision for the future of work and advances the Impact Buildings portfolio in the region.
We have aptly called it Nest, which is the nexus of efficiency and sustainable technologies, and that's exactly what you get here. Of course, it's also the nest for our employees for collaboration and how we are able to bring these technologies to UAE and beyond. I would say today, if you look at buildings, they represent almost 30% of the carbon dioxide emissions in the world. And therefore, the technologies that we are bringing here and showcasing in our own building is something which is going to be a benchmark of what we could be doing to contribute towards the UAE's vision of 2050 for the net zero vision of UAE.
The Nest stands as a powerful symbol of Schneider Electric's global local model, combining world-class innovation with local relevance. The office embodies its strategy to localize decision-making, empower regional talent, and bring global sustainability solutions closer to the markets it serves.
One of the shifts that we are witnessing is that the decision-making is more closer and closer to the market. And this is exactly what we are doing in Schneider Electric. You know, we are one of the most global local company, even in launching the product. So we are using our global innovation, but we are customizing it to the market. One of the example is UNICA-X, which is the wiring devices. You know, in the GCC, we are in advance in terms of real estate, hospitality, and our clients are more and more demanding. So if you take the UNICA-X, the launch that we got, it was fully customized to the GCC. And the first launch worldwide was done in the UAE. Another example, this building, if you take the Nest, which means the nexus of efficient, sustainable technology, is the first building in the program, the global program that we have, which is Impact Building. What it means? It means that we are working for the building of the future, which will be more resilient, efficient, but also sustainable and customer-centric or people-centric.
As a global leader in electrification and digitalization, Schneider Electric leverages its Impact Buildings portfolio and regional innovation hub in Dubai to accelerate smart infrastructure.
The partnership between France and the UAE is a model of bilateral innovation and economic cooperation. And the UAE is actually home to the largest amount of French companies in the region. That's about 600 companies employing more than 30,000 people. And the UAE is the second largest investor to France from the GCC region. Here at Schneider Electric, we contribute to this cooperation through technology transfer, through creating opportunities for local talents, and also through unlocking in-country value through localization. And our commitment to the UAE is a true reflection of our belief, our deep belief in the long-term potential of the region.
The UAE's infrastructure and location enhance Schneider Electric's ability to serve customers more efficiently and accelerate growth across the region and beyond.
So, you know, UAE has been playing a very important role for us for the last 25 years that we have been in this wonderful country. It is the logistics hub to start with for, being at the center of East and West, where we are bringing our products and serving markets of UAE and also for Europe, Asia and Africa. And with its port facilities and some of the technologies that Schneider is able to bring to make it more efficient. And so this is the first thing that we have. The other is that UAE is looking to be the future of artificial intelligence, the hub of artificial intelligence, based on, I would say, what it is building for the future, not just for here, but for the region. Schneider Electric is very solidly committed to that. Our technologies of grid to chip and chip to chiller, which are very crucial to see how we could make AI energy efficiency, I would say AI much more energy efficient, the data centers for AI more energy efficient. We are bringing that here.
Schneider Electric is leveraging the Nest to drive public-private partnerships and co-create sustainable solutions with local stakeholders for a decarbonized economy.
For us, the Nest is a platform for collaboration, but also a platform for co-innovation. So today, during the inauguration, I had the honor to announce an investment of 100 million dirham for the training. And the goal here is to bring the new talent, the new leaders to be upskilled and to prepare more resilient future. This is one of the examples where the industry is collaborating with the academia and the government in order to prepare a better future for the country. Another example is the co-innovation also. If you take this building, so it's the first building in UAE which is using the artificial intelligence embedded in the BMS. The BMS is the building management system. So the artificial intelligence is managing the full building, quality of air, light, AC, and this is also an example of how we will collaborate, because it will be showcased to our customers in order to bring more innovation in the country.
And Schneider Electric is leveraging the ongoing UAE-France ties and Dubai's strategic position to drive regional growth, advance sustainable industrialization, and support the UAE's emergence as a global hub for energy and technology.
Through our Impact Buildings program, we aim at Schneider Electric to drive sustainability in our own real estate, leveraging the technology that we create. And we leverage and implement our EcoStruxure solutions, software and services in order to showcase how buildings can become smarter and more efficient and more sustainable. And the building where we are today is the first impact building in Schneider Electric globally. And I invite you to take a visit of our Innovation Hub, where you will get live demonstrations of our solutions, showcasing buildings' digital twins, showcasing innovations in the data center space, and also our Aviva Unified Operating Center, where you can see how, thanks to the technology we create, we are transforming infrastructures, industries, buildings, and homes.
As the doors of the Nest open, so too does a new chapter in sustainable innovation. Schneider Electric's latest milestone is not just a regional achievement, it's a global signal that the future of work, energy, and infrastructure is already taking shape right here in Dubai Silicon Oasis.